Hello everyone, in today's video, let's jump right into getting your NameCheap Appify key. It's easier than you might think and opens up a whole world of automation possibility for your domains. Ready to get it started? Okay, first things first, head over to NameCheap.com and log into your account. You have got an account already? Right, good. I have also logged into my account and this is how the home page of NameCheap look like. Now look for the account option, which is usually at the top right corner. You can see it over here. Tap on it. That will take you to the dashboard. Now scroll down and over here you can see an option for profile. Tap on it. Let's scroll down again, and under profile you can see several subtopics or sub options too. So there's personal info, security, billing, and tools and inbox. What we need right now is tools. Tap on tools. That will take you to the tools. And this is the tools. Let's scroll at the bottom of the page. Over here you can see an option for business and dev tools, and just beside it you can see NameCheap app access, which right now is off. Let's tap on learn more. So what it says is, we are sorry, you haven't met the criteria to qualify for API access. To qualify, you must have account balance of $50 plus 20 plus domains in your account or purchases totaling $50 within the last 2 years. So I'm not eligible for this access. However, I will explain you the further process. So if you are eligible, you will see a tab called API access. It's usually at the left hand side menu. Click on that. Now you might see a button that says enable API access, which right now is not available to my NameCheap account because I am not eligible for this one. However, if you are eligible, you might see this button called enable API access. If you find it, go ahead and click on it, but sometimes it's already enabled, so you don't have to worry if you don't see it. Now to get your key, you will be looking for the button that says something like generate new API key or manage API access. Click that. You might be asked to confirm your password for security. Go ahead and do it if prompted, and there you have it, your API key is generated. And that's all. So it was a pretty simple process. Now you can use your NameCheap API key to connect to the various services and automate your domain management too. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.